Hi, I'm Jeff Morris. I've conducted and settled a number of mediations using the Zoom platform. Lawyers and their clients have expressed a high level of satisfaction using Zoom. In this video, in the first part, I'll explain how to download and install the Zoom software and apps. It's simple and straightforward. In the second part of this video, I'll talk about how I personally use Zoom to conduct mediations. I think you will find it's really not that different from a face-to-face mediation experience.
The easiest way to join a Zoom call is by dialing in from a landline or your mobile phone. Dial the local number in the email and enter the meeting ID and password when asked to do so. You can skip the request for the participant ID. The real power of Zoom, though, lies in joining by a computer or mobile device. To join a Zoom mediation on the internet from a mobile device, like a smartphone or tablet, you must download the mobile app ahead of time. I have included a link to zoom.us/download that you can click from your mobile device, and you will automatically be redirected to the Google Play or Apple App Store to install the correct app. If you're joining a Zoom meeting from your computer, you can opt to pre-install the Zoom software from zoom.us/download. However, that is not required. Instead, you can simply click on the link in the email invitation. An example of the link in your email invitation is the one circled in red. After you click on the link, Zoom will download and install the Zoom software automatically. If you don't see the software downloading, simply click the Download and Run Zoom link on the screen. If for any reason you are unable to download or install the Zoom software to your computer, then there is an option to start the session from your browser. You will see this link on the screen. If the software has downloaded successfully, you should see the download file on the bottom left corner of your screen. Click the file to begin the installation process. Answer yes if you are asked whether to allow the program to make changes to your computer. To join a Zoom mediation, click on the Join Meeting button, and you will be asked to insert your name, meeting ID, and password. Sometimes when you click on the email invitation link, you will bypass some or all of these steps because the link can automatically insert the ID and password into the software. Next, choose to join the meeting with or without video. Unmute your mic so others can hear you. Part 2. The mediation process. If the mediation has not yet started, you may find yourself in the waiting room until the mediator starts the mediation and admits you into the session. This is a good time to test your mic if you're on a computer. Once the mediation begins, you will always go into the main room with all of the other participants. In the main room, you will see that there is a menu at the bottom where you can adjust your microphone, start or stop your video, and also have an opportunity to invite others to the mediation from your firm or clients. You can see who is participating in the mediation. You can share your screen with others. And there is a chat function if you wish to send instant messages to other parties. Because everyone is together in the main room, you may wish to send a private message to someone with you by using the chat feature. Make sure that you click on only that person's name and then type an instant message to that individual. After everyone introduces themselves in the main room, the mediator will make some brief opening remarks and then will immediately invite all the parties to move into breakout rooms that have been pre-assigned. You must accept the mediator's invitation to join in a breakout room. Please click the Join on your screen. If you are participating by telephone, you will be moved automatically into the appropriate breakout room. At every Jeff Morris mediation, the mediator would like to have a 5 to 10 minute initial conversation with the lawyer and client. We will discuss the process for the mediation as well as any other particular areas of concern. After the mediator leaves your breakout room, if you need assistance or wish to speak to the mediator again, please hit the Help button at the bottom of the menu, or if you're on a mobile app, you will see the Help icon on your screen. After hitting the Help icon, please click on the Invite Host link on your screen. The mediator should return to your breakout room shortly. If the mediator is tied up in another room, you will get a message to this effect, and watch for an instant message from the mediator that may be broadcast to all participants, advising on where the mediator happens to be at that moment. If the mediator wishes to invite all the parties into the main room for a joint session, or for some other reason, the mediator will close all the breakout rooms and you will be notified that you have 2 minutes to finish up your discussions. There's also an option to click to return immediately. If you wish to leave your breakout room or the mediation, it's best to discuss this first with the mediator. If you do need to leave, you will see a red Leave link on your screen. By clicking that link, you have the option to return to the main room or to leave the mediation completely. When you are located in the main room, there is a similar option to hit the red Leave link and to depart from the mediation. If you have left the mediation and do wish to return, you will have to be readmitted into the mediation by the mediator. If the mediator is tied up, there could be a few minute delay before you are brought back into the main room again. The mediator will then return you to your original breakout room.
This concludes an introduction to using Zoom for mediations. I really want to reassure you that new users have had no trouble navigating through their first mediation on the Zoom platform. If you would like a more detailed and in-depth guide to using Zoom for mediations, please click the download link at the bottom of this video. Thank you.